क्या बात कर रहे हो आप? AI is going to take my job. AI is not good. AI is this, AI is that. I'm scared of AI. I have, let me just go on and tell you, I just wrote a production level machine learning code in less than 5 minutes with AI. Whereas here it used to take me months, probably 1 or 2 months, understands the data, wrote the code, build the complete end-to-end model, deploy it, maintain, secure everything. And even if there will be an error, I have to go on to Google and search it for like days, correct? Try to find it out multiple different syntax to just to go on and to run that particular code. Now I have code within less than 5 minutes, and I will just go on and spend couple of days not to go on and to understand how to write, but to know how the output works and how I can go on and I can make that output much better. Don't you think that is amazing, or it is immense? That's why I always tell, treat AI as your companion, not a threat. If you use that as a companion, you're going to go on to the next level. See you in the next video. Bye bye.